Oh my days, this eggnog is creamy. Wagwan, what's great? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome and thank you very much for stopping by. My name is Chef Adrian Morris and you're watching Morris Time Cooking. As seen in the title, today I'll be showing you how to make some Christmas eggnog. So if that sounds interesting, stick around. After the intro, we get right into it.
We know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
And we are back, as I said before, making some Christmas eggnog. Nice, rich and creamy. Delicious just for you and yours. And I know you may be wondering, Chef, what's up with the background? That's because I'm out here in New York visiting my brother for the holidays. And I said, you know what? We have to have some eggnog on the table for Christmas. So guess what I'm going? You can add a little rum in it. Just make sure you get the kids in for them first. So without further delay, let's get right into the recipe. So to start, I have here 200 milliliters of milk. To that I'm going to add a half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of nutmeg, and half teaspoon of ground cinnamon. I'm going to go in the milk. Nice Christmas flavors. And 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Ensure to remove all the lumps from the cinnamon. And we're just going to add this on medium-low heat. The goal is to just heat this up slightly. You do not want the milk to boil, right? You just want it to reach at least 160 degrees Fahrenheit. So we're going to go in with 10 egg yolks. So you can use your eggs to separate the yolk from the white, like so. So this here is my egg white. You don't throw that out. I'm going to use this to make some scrambled egg white or egg white omelette for my breakfast, right? To my 10 egg yolks, I'm going to go in with 1 cup of granulated sugar. This has already been sifted. And we're going to whisk this until we get a glue-like consistency. So once you're at this runny consistency, you want to get a strainer, and I'm going to go in with about a tablespoon to 2 at a time of that warm milk, right? And I'm going to go over a strainer. The reason why I'm going in with this gradually, if you go all at once with all that heated milk, then this will become scrambled egg, and you do not want that. So you're going to temper the eggs with the warm milk. So in a little bit. And what this is doing, this is also cooking the egg yolks, right? So do not worry that, oh, I'm eating raw eggs. No, the sugar is cooking it as well as the warm milk. But you have to go in gradually in order to prevent the egg from scrambling. Pour out all that milk. Then next up, we're going to go in with 400 milliliters of heavy whipping cream. We're just going to mix that in. Once you're not serving that up to kids, you can go in with about 2 to 3 ounces of white overproof rum. I'm going to slowly add that in. Or if you have brandy, or in my recipe book I use Hennessy. So if you want a copy to that recipe book, check it out. Link is in the description. Just gonna strain that for a second time. Beautiful. That looks good. Cover that. And this is where the hard part comes in. The waiting. So 4 hours in the refrigerator until it's nice and chilled, right? Or you can serve this over ice once it's completely chilled. The thing is, in my recipe book, I also use the egg white to create a nice creamier texture. That's an option that you can use, but because I don't have any hand blender, as I said, this is my brother's kitchen and he's not a chef like myself, so he doesn't invest in a lot of kitchen gadgets, so to speak, right? So As they say in Jamaica, use your hand, make fashion. Whatever you have, it has a small whisk, stuff like that. I just use what's on hand. This is a recipe that you definitely need to try for this Christmas. You get what I say? After 4 hours, we'll be back. But for right now, I just want to say thank you very much for the support throughout the years from 2017 when I first launched this channel until now 2023 in December. I want to say Merry Christmas to you and your entire family. If you want to whip up some Christmas goods, don't forget to check out the Christmas idea playlist where I have over 20 Christmas ideas that you can choose from breakfast, lunch, dessert, dinner, appetizer, drinks, right? And this too will be added. I also have my ebook out, Morris Time Cookings, Jamaican Christmas Recipes. 15 recipes, this is one of them, right? So if you want to have something printed out, nicely explained for you, check out my ebook in the description down below. Let's go on it, man. What is this? Holy, come on. Oh my days, this eggnog is creamy. Look at that. Beautiful. Just mix that up properly. If you have it in a jug, you shake it. Oh God. This is creamy. Look at that. Come on. God. Whoa. Jeez, look at that, man. Let's see. Wow. This, God. Boy. This is beautiful. Perfect amount of rum for me. What may I tell you? This, it's 1:30 a.m. I do not want to drink anymore because I'm going to get drunk. May I tell you? This is some great eggnog. Honestly, I'll just add a little less sugar. So that 1 cup of sugar, I just add a little less sugar. But may I tell you, this is creamy. See my cookbook, my e-cookbook, check it out. And trust me, try it out for this Easter. About Easter, we're going to Easter. Try it out, the Roma kick in. Try it out for this Christmas and I hope you and your family enjoy. I'd love to go again for our next glass, but I need everybody else to try that. And I tell you, that is it. Bad luck I done. Try it out. Once again, thank you very much for watching. See you until next time. Safe travel upon the gravel and go and big up on yourself.